Are you ready?
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year for soon. We're here at the Premier Inn, Bispham, near Blackpool. So this is another Premier Inn standard room. It's similar to the one that we stayed in Manchester, but this time it is a different layout. So obviously, as you can see, I'll show you the view first. Instead of the aviation view, we've got a school, because it's in a residential area, this one. So it's a little tad different. Obviously, we start here. We've got the nice Premier Inn bed, nice firm. Obviously, if you do want to buy it, you can buy it with, because they use the Silent Night mattresses. Haven't paid for breakfast, but there is a breakfast menu and the menu there for beef eater. We've got coffee making facilities, kettle. We've got glasses. We have a little bin. Extra storage spaces underneath there. We've got hangers. We've also got extra pillows, blankets and whatnot in the bag up there. Got a little vanity mirror as well that you can use as well. This is the bathroom. Now some rooms, it does say on the app, some rooms do have only showers, just so your heads up. Ours, luckily enough, has come with a little bath. So we're quite lucky actually. This is the sink area. And here's the bathroom. So yes, that is the Premier Inn here in Bispham, Blackpool.